Hi, welcome to Design by Geeks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this in the hoop snap wallet. It's great for holding credit cards, ID, whatever you need. For this design, use fabric that won't fray, such as felt, leather, or vinyl. Hoop your stabilizer. You'll want to use tearaway or water-soluble stabilizer for this project. Stitch Design Color 1 onto the stabilizer, which is a placement step for the outside cover of the card holder. You'll notice the tension is a little off on these placement stitches, but this particular stitch step doesn't actually make it onto the design, so I was okay with not fixing it. Place your fabric right side up using the placement stitches as a guide. I'm using a sticky stabilizer, but if you are not using sticky stabilizer, you can use a little bit of adhesive to keep your fabric in place. Next, stitch Design Step 2, which is a tack down step that's going to hold your fabric in place. As you can see, those stitches already exist. That's because my camera decided to stop recording, so I had to stitch it again. After the tack down step is complete, stitch the next color step, and that's going to be 2 small circles at the top. That's going to show you where you need to put your snaps later. After the circles are done, if you want to add your own design to the cover, you can stitch that now. The top is going to be the front, and the bottom is going to be the back. For the top, you're going to stitch that upside down, and for the bottom, that'll be right side up. The PDF includes a chart that's life-size that tells you how big you can make it. Next, take your hoop off of your machine, but don't remove the design from the hoop. Flip your hoop over, and on the underside, using the same placement stitches as the outer stitch line, place another layer of fabric. This is going to be the inside of your card holder. Place that with the pretty side up, and you can use tape to hold that in place. This is going to be the same side of the holder that's going to have the pocket added later. Now you can put your hoop back on your machine and stitch the next design step. This is going to again stitch all the way around the design, and that's going to hold your back fabric in place. Then stitch the next design step, which is going to stitch a line at the left and the right, which is going to show you where to align your pocket. Align the top of your pocket with your placement stitches. Make sure that the top of the pocket is cut in a straight line. You'll want to cut the top of your pocket where you want the top of the pocket to be. Don't worry about the left, right, and bottom yet. Just make sure it's larger than your placement stitches. Flip the hoop over and align that straight edge to that placement line. You can then use tape or pins to secure the pocket in place. Put your hoop back on your machine and stitch the very last step of the design. This is going to stitch all the way around the design, and it's going to secure your pocket in place. Remove the design from the hoop and then remove your stabilizer. Next, you're going to trim all the way around the design. I usually like to leave about 1/8 to 1/16 of an inch around the outer stitch border. Next, you're going to add your snaps. Follow the instructions included with your snaps. The 2 front snaps are going to go where the little circles are. And that's how it looks with the 2 snaps in place. Then you're going to add the snaps to the pockets. To figure out where the pockets snaps need to go, put a card in the wallet and fold it over, and then you can use a pencil to mark where the snaps need to be positioned. Make sure when adding your pocket snaps to only go through the pocket fabric, don't go through the cover fabric. And here's what it looks like with your snaps in place. Now you can slide your cards into your wallet and then close it using the snaps. And here's what your wallet looks like. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Bye! We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.